Now let us learn about acid, bases and salt. The physical world we see around us is made up of many amount of chemicals. Out of these chemicals, acid, bases and salt are some of the chemicals we come across in our day-to-day life. Acids. Acid is a term derived from a Latin word acidus, which means sour. The substance which sour in taste are called acid, and it produces hydrogen ion in aqueous solution. Based on source, acid is classified as organic acid and inorganic acid. Organic acids are derived from plants and animals, while inorganic acids are derived from rocks and minerals. Based on ionization, acid is classified as strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid ionizes completely in water, whereas weak acid ionizes partially in water. Based on concentration, the acid is divided into concentrated acid and dilute acid. The concentrated acid has large amount of acid dissolved in solvent, whereas dilute acid has very small amount of acid dissolved in solvent. Then acid is sour in taste, it is colorless, it is soluble in water. Since they have ion, they conduct electricity. These are some properties of acids. The hydrochloric acid which is present in our stomach, it is very much helpful for digestion. And sulfuric acid is also known as a king of chemicals. Is used in making detergents, paints, fertilizer, and it is also used in making car batteries. Nitric acid is used in making fertilizer, paints and drugs. The next one is base. Bases are the substance that ionize in water to form hydroxyl ion. And the bases which dissolve in water are called alkalis. Based on concentration, the bases are divided into concentrated alkali and dilute alkali. The concentrated alkali has high percentage of alkali in its aqueous solution, whereas dilute alkali has low percentage of alkali in its aqueous solution. Based on ionization, it is classified as a strong base and weak base. Strong base ionizes completely in aqueous solution, whereas weak base ionizes partially in aqueous solution. Then the base is bitter in taste. It turns red litmus paper to blue. It conducts electricity in aqueous solution. The sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap, and the base calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing the buildings. Test for acids and bases. There are various tests to see whether it is acid or base. First is a test with litmus paper. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red, whereas base turns red litmus paper to blue. And then the test with indicator phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic medium and it is pink in color in basic medium. Test with an indicator methyl orange. The methyl orange is pink in color in acidic medium and it is yellow in color in basic medium. pH scale. If the pH is less than 7, it is acid, and the pH is greater than 7, it is base. If the pH is equal to 7, then it is a neutral solution. Then the next one is salt. The salt is an ionic compound obtained by neutralization in aqueous solution. If we combine acid and base, it gives salt and water. There are various types of salt. First one is acidic salt. Acidic salt is formed by weak base and strong acid. The next one is a basic salt. It is formed by weak acid and strong base. The next one is a neutral salt. The neutral salt is formed by strong acid and strong base. The next one is a double salt. It is formed by the combination of two simple salt in equimolar ratio. Then the salt melts at high temperature and it is soluble in water. It is colorless and it is a crystalline powder. These are some properties of salts. Common salt is used in cooking and it is also used as a preservative in pickle. Plaster of Paris is used in making statues, and the salt calcium hypochlorite is used in making chloroform tablets. Till now we have seen so much about acid, bases and salt. Without acid, bases and salt, many of the products we use today would not be possible. Thank you.